sometimes I like to head out on the trail and conquer the wild terrain. And a bed cover really limits my storage. I mean, sure, it keeps out the dust and the elements, but I want all my gear available to me. But the Westin EXP Topper gives me the best of both worlds. It's a 5-piece modular construction giving unparalleled strength and weight savings. It's got these integrated roof rails for effortless accessory mounting, and it comes with a built-in LED third brake light for added safety and visibility. And I can easily access the side of my truck bed with these awesome side access doors. Oh, great! Sorry about that. And for added security, the side access doors have heavy-duty locking T-handles. And it's got a convenient auto lock and unlock feature giving you easy rear access at the touch of a button. Inside, there's integrated interior T-slot extrusions and emergency release levers. And it comes in a matte black powder coat finish to help it withstand corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you think the Westin EXP Topper would look awesome on your ride, check out westinautomotive.com.